Hello everyone, my topic is the child mortality rate in Sierra Leone and put Loko district as the base for my health campaign project. My target audience are the under 5 children and pregnant women of Sierra Leone and put Loko district to be specific. The host of this video PSA is me, Makali Kamara. I will use this video PSA to mobilize, sensitize the parents of the under 5 children, communities in the issue of the reduction of child mortality rate in Sierra Leone and put Loko district as the base of social media campaign. The most important elements of this video PSA is to inform and sensitize the parents and the community involved through video in the country, Sierra Leone and put Loko district as the center for the health communication campaign. Thank you everyone.